I had a customer tell me one time, well, it only took you 15 minutes, so why are you charging so much? I always respond back, well, there's experience and then there's unexperienced. Should I be penalized because I'm experienced and I'm fast and efficient at what I do? Would it really make you feel better if I sat down on a bucket, maybe waited an hour or two, then came and got you and said we're done? At the end of the day, you pay me by my experience and not my time. And if that's a problem, feel free to call someone else.